In 1978, Stephen Campion borrowed $2,200 from the Public Service Credit Union, with his father as guarantor. He fell behind on his payments, but a year later in 1979, the credit union loaned him more money, rolling the old debt and the new debt together, so he owed a little over $2,300. His father wasn't a guarantor for the second loan. In 1980, something strange happened. Automatic teller machines were a new thing back then, and the technology was patchy. Stephen accidentally realised that the ATM he was using was malfunctioning, and so it was letting people draw out more money than they actually had in their accounts. Over a period of about 3 months, he made various withdrawals, putting his account into the red. When the credit union realised what was going on, they called Stephen and his father Maxwell into their office. The credit union officer, a Mrs. Kelly, said quite correctly that this was fraud and that they would place the whole matter in the hands of police unless Stephen agreed to a new loan, which would be enough to cover the 2 previous loans and the overdrawn amounts. And they wanted his father Max to guarantee the loan. Stephen and Max felt like they had no choice. It was the loan or the police. They signed the loan agreement. In 1981, there had still obviously been problems because the credit union sued to recover the loan. Maxwell, the father, entered a defence that his guarantee agreement was not valid because it was void for illegality. The court found that this defence was proved. The agreement was illegal because it was an agreement whose purpose, or at least one of the purposes, was to defeat a prosecution. Justice Kelly said, "The misappropriation alleged against the defendant's son was a wrong committed against the public and may not therefore be the subject of an agreement to stifle a prosecution in respect of it. In my opinion, the contract was void for illegality as an agreement to stifle prosecution for an indictable public offence." In addition, it's quite clear from the judgment in this matter that the court also considered that the contract was entered into as a matter of undue influence, out of fear of the police being involved, rather than out of any genuine agreement to the deal. Either way, the loan agreement could not be enforced.